In this video, I am going to explain you question number 1, first part of exercise 3.6. Now children, as you can read, the question is solve the equations which are reducible to a pair of linear equation. What is the meaning of reducible to a pair of linear equation? This means कि right now they are not linear equations. अब कुछ बच्चे सोच सकते हैं कि मैम ने बोला था लीनियर इक्वेशंस वो होती हैं जिनकी डिग्री 1 होती है. अब यहाँ पर x की भी पावर 1 है और y की भी 1 है, तो फिर ये लीनियर इक्वेशन क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि बच्चे यहाँ पर x और y डिनोमिनेटर में है. ठीक है, डिनोमिनेटर में जब x एंड y हैं तो इसका मतलब इनकी पावर 1 नहीं है, इनकी पावर है -1. दैट इज़ वाई दे कैन नॉट बी कंसिडर्ड एज लीनियर इक्वेशन. So we have to convert them into linear equation and then we have to solve them. Okay, now how are we going to solve them? First of all, we will write, as you can see, it is 1 upon x. So we will write let 1 upon x is equal to, now you can write any other variable except x and y. X and y you cannot take, any other variable you can take. For example, if I am taking a, right, let 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. Okay, now how will you write the equation? So the equations are first of all we'll write this. Now it is 1 upon 2, 1 upon x. So this will become 1 upon 2 will be written as 1 upon 2 and 1 upon x will be written as a. So this will become 1 upon 2a. 2 will not go in the numerator because 2 is in the denominator. We have only taken 1 upon x as a. Okay, so this will become 1 upon 2a plus 1 upon 3b is equal to 2. Okay, now you can simplify it to get a equation in the simpler form. I can take the LCM. LCM will be 6. So this will become 3a plus 2b is equal to 2. Now this 6 can go to this side. You will get the equation 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. This is your equation number 1 now. Now also let us see what will be the second equation now. This is 1 upon 3x. So it will be written as 1 upon 3a plus 1 upon 2b is equal to 13 upon 6. Okay. Now again we will take the LCM to bring this equation in the simpler form. This will become, LCM will be 6, 2a plus 3b is equal to 13 upon 6. Now this 6 will go to this side, or you can simply cancel it here only because it will go to this side and it will be multiplied here. Ultimately it will be cancelled. You can cancel it here only to get the equation 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. Now if you want to solve it by substitution method, you can take the value of any variable a or b here. So you will write, this implies 2a is equal to 13 minus 3b, and this implies a is equal to 13 minus 3b upon 2. Okay, so now you can put this value in equation number 1. You can write substituting value of a in equation 1. Okay, now this was your equation number 1. 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. So it will become 3 into 13 minus 3b upon 2. This is 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. So this will become, you can take the LCM as 2. This will become 39 minus 9b, and here 2b will be multiplied by 2 because we have taken 2 as LCM. This will become 4b is equal to 12. So this implies 2 will go to that side. So 39 minus 9b plus 4b is equal to 24, and this implies minus 9b plus 4b is equal to 24 minus 39, and this will become minus 5b is equal to minus 15. Right, children? So minus will be cancelled from both sides. You will get b is equal to 15 upon 5, that is 3. So you will get the value of b as 3. Okay, after finding the value of b, we will now find the value of a. Okay, now what is the value of a? Now a is equal to 13 minus 3b. Okay, let us write the value of b here. A is equal to 13 minus 3b. The value of b is 3. So at the place of b, I am going to write 3 upon 2. So a is equal to 13 minus 9 upon 2. 13 minus 9 is 4. 4 upon 2 you will get 2. So a, the value of a is 2. But children, remember, our variables were not a and b. ये हमने let किए थे बच्चे. Our variables are x and y. So finally you have to take the value of x and y. So now we'll write, now 1 upon x is equal to a. This implies 1 upon x is equal to 2. So बच्चे again 2 will come down. Here x will go up. Okay, cross multiplication. 2 will come down, x will go up. So this will be 1 upon 2 is equal to x. Okay, so the value of x will be 1 upon 2. Also 1 upon y is equal to b. This implies 1 upon y is equal to 3. Again cross multiplication. So 1 upon 3 is equal to y. So children, these are the values of x and y.